In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to receive form result emails and text alerts whenever you receive new leads on your website. So I'm going to go into Settings and Preferences. We have 5 slots for emails, as well as 3 slots for phone numbers. I already have my main account email here, but say I want to add another employee, I could just put their email address here. And I have the option to exclude them receiving the credit app. And that is mainly for security reasons. Maybe there's certain people you don't want handling that sensitive information, or you just want to keep it all through the admin panel. You can access all your leads by going to Lead Manager and Leads. And that way, this information doesn't go through email, which is a little less secure. That's your option here. You can also enter in phone numbers. Just put in the numbers. You don't have to put in any dashes. And you will get text alerts whenever there's a new lead on your website. And that way you'll know to come in and check it in your Lead Manager. And that is it for this tutorial. Just make sure to hit Save Changes when you're done.